Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I want to show you how to add some galaxy colors using the Nuvo Shimmer Powders on your card. So first, I've already stamped and colored this beautiful coffee cup by Unity Stamp and Graciellie design called Stay Strong. And I'm grabbing some Nuvo Shimmer Powders here, which is the Atlantis Burst and Violet Brocade. Sorry for the blur. And I'm grabbing some watercolor cardstock here, spritzing it with some water, then just sprinkling the powders on top and getting this beautiful reaction with all the colors mixed together. Then I'm spritzing more water so that the powders will react more and blend together. Then I'm adding the Atlantis Burst to the mix, and just check out how easy it is to create a galaxy sky with these powders. Then I'm just grabbing my heat gun to dry it up and grabbing a piece of napkin or tissue paper to just dab off the excess. What I like about these powders are that it is multicolored and it has a metallic finish when you dry it. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!